Hello, this is Dawn from hzscribe, and welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by and saying hello. I appreciate it. Thanks for liking, watch, and subscribe so you can see more information from me. So don't forget to hit the notification bell. Anyway, this is just a small quick haul, and I showed some of this on my other channel, but I'm just going to explain what I'm going to do with it. So this is just a small portion of my other haul from Tuesday morning, and this is the Echo Park line. Everything here is Echo Park. This is half 6x6 paper pad for $5.99. It's double-sided, and it is, let's see, 48. So there's going to be 24 designs in here, and you've probably seen this because this is not a new pad. But what I would like to do with this is, with this whole collection, is just make some Christian-themed cards, and then it repeats. Alright, is that the first one? Yeah. As well as make some, this is Forward with Faith. And embellishments, you know, iPads, ATCs, borders, cards, scrapbooks, you know, just anything that's card candy, as they used to call it. Member deck cards, just anything like that, just to put some Christian stuff on it, since it's hard to find some of that. So that's what I hope to do with this paper. I think that's where it repeats. Whoops. Page is coming out. So with these 6x6 pads, I got this a while ago actually from Hobby Lobby, but this goes with this to have faith, goes with this paper pad. And it says, trust the Lord with all the heart. God gave me you. All I need is this little bit of coffee and a whole lot of Jesus. Love one another as I have loved you. Have faith. Lord, I will follow you. Follow thee. Jesus is my jam. I am with you always. Families are forever. Our faith can move mountains. Help is that pray away. Blessed, you are enough. So all those cute little stamps. 3, 6, 9, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So 19. I did get this paper pad, which is a combination of, it's 12 double-sided 12 by 12 sheets, and that's those right there. And then it also has the coordinating double-sided same color solids to go along with it. So it's a 24 piece of paper pack, double-sided, and it's 2 ephemera sheets and it's 1 sticker sheet. So altogether it's 150 pieces. So again, these could be card bases, scrapbook pages. I also like the color theme. I mean, the colors are pretty color combination as well. So just vibrant colors, nice and spring to me. So, and everything doesn't have anything on it that's Christian, so you can use it in multiple ways. And then this is just the 12 by 12 of this one, and of course this is the 12 by 12. They didn't have the pad like that, or they didn't have the paper pad like this. And of course this is that Tuesday morning, so you kind of grab whatever you can grab. Yeah, so look forward for some of those projects. I will try to do a series on some of that. So anyway, that was just my little small haul I want to share. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. Be God's word on this earth. Take care. Bye-bye.